welcome back. So now after your maths class, it's time to begin with our EVS class. Yes. So what we were doing in environmental studies, can anyone tell me? Yes, what were the previous topics that we have done? We have learned about fruits, we have learned about vegetables, then their taste, their seeds, healthy food, junk food also we have done. So what is healthy food? I'm just recapitulating the previous class. एक quick revision करते हैं कि हमने अभी तक क्या finish किया है. So in the previous class we have done healthy food and junk food. You remember that? So can anyone tell me what is healthy food? Healthy food कौन से होते हैं? The food that we eat and the one which gives us energy. वो food जब हम खाने के बाद हमें energy मिलती है जिस food से, those are counted as healthy food items. And what are junk food? What is junk food? Can you tell me? The food that fills our stomach, उससे हमारा tummy तो भर जाता है, हमारा stomach fill हो जाता है, but is of no use. But वो हमारी health को कोई benefit provide नहीं करता. Eating that food is of no use. हमें उससे कोई energy नहीं मिल रही है, कोई power नहीं मिल रही है. So that is junk. बेकार है वो खाना. Then we have done about different vegetables that we eat raw, जो हम कच्चे खा सकते हैं, in the form of salads, isn't it? Then we have done about different tastes, a very important topic. You remember I have discussed you about 5 different tastes, that is sweet यानी मीठा, sour यानी खट्टा, then we have done bitter यानी कड़वा, then which was the next taste we did? Pungent. Yes, what is pungent? Pungent is तीखा. And the last taste, can anyone tell me? What is that? Come on class. Which was the last taste we did? Which was the last taste? Salty. Yes, chips खाते हैं ना? I told you an example of chips. So they were salty. So today's topic of discussion is crisp and crunch. Crisp and crunchy. So what is this crisp and crunchy? Can anyone tell me? यानी कि जो फ्रेश होता है, कुरकुरा होता है, जिसको खाने में एक साउंड आती है, that is crisp and crunchy. So today we are going to discuss about some such food items. Clear? So a very simple example which I want to give you is your chips. So we all like eating them. I will not say love, क्योंकि अगर हम उसे love करेंगे, if we love eating chips, that is not good for health. You remember we counted it as a junk food, high in salt, it is salty also. So today we are going to take an example of chips in the form of crisp and crunchy food. I'll just share an example with you. जब आप चिप का पैकेट ओपन करते हो and you eat a chip from it, what happen? जब आप उसे बाइट करते हो, क्रंच आवाज आती है उसमें से, and the bite which is in your mouth, जब आप उसको च्यू करते हो तो आवाज आती है just for a minute, a second or two, 1 या 2 बाइट तक आवाज आती है, फिर नहीं आती. Why is that so? Because जब हम उसे खाते हैं तो वो क्रिस्प होता है, but after eating, जब हम उसे खा लेते हैं वो हमारे माउथ में चला जाता है. So we have saliva in mouth, हमारे माउथ में थोड़ा वाटर कंटेंट होता है. जब वो उसके साथ मिक्स होता है तो वो क्रंचीनेस, वो क्रिस्पीनेस खत्म हो जाती है. So you can do a very simple test also for this. How you can do that? Take one chip, एक single chip लेना and just dip it in water once. उसको water में एक बार dip कर लेना. I know वो waste हो जाएगा और मम्मा गुस्सा भी कर सकती है, but you can say कि मम्मा I'm just trying what my mom has asked me to do. So you can dip one chip in it and take it out. उसके बाद जब आप उसे ब्रेक करोगे ना, वो क्रंच की आवाज नहीं आएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो वाटर ने उसको क्या किया, उसकी वो क्रंचीनेस, उसकी वो फ्रेशनेस खत्म कर दी. इज दैट क्लियर? उसमें क्या हो गया, थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर आ गया, नमी आ गई, जिसकी वजह से वो क्रिस्पीनेस खत्म हो गई. सो चिप इज अ आइटम we can count as crisp or crunch. So what we are going to do, I am going to put a tick mark for those food items which are crisp or crunch. I am going to put a tick for that. Clear? So chip is one food item, we can say which is crisp or crunchy. Now moving to the next we have is a carrot. Can you see this carrot here? Carrot किसको कहते हैं? गाजर को. So you remember we did the topic things we eat raw, vegetables we eat raw in the form of salad. Yes. So salad में when we cut this carrot and you eat it, तो can you when you take a bite, आपको वो sound आती है? Have you ever tried eating carrot in the salad form? आपने carrot को खाया है कभी? So जब भी आप carrot को bite करेंगे ना, you will get that crunch sound in it. तो carrot is also a vegetable we can count as crisp and crunchy. Now moving to next we have is a bowl of soup. So have you ever tasted a soup? We have different soups like sweet corn soup, vegetable soup, we have tomato soup. So have you ever tasted any soup? हम उसको कैसे consume करते हैं? We take sip. So you remember ip sound word में मैंने आपको समझाया था what is sip? Sip is when we are taking one sip, एक घूंट लेना. So we take that sip with the help of a spoon. Why? Because the soup is in a liquid form. Soup कैसे होता है? Liquid होता है, पानी की तरह होता है. वो क्या है? Basically वो fruits, tomato, इन सब का juices को mix किया जाता है. So that we call as soup. So when we are taking this, कोई sound होती है? ये swirl sound होती है. swirl करने की, यानी कि जब हम उसको sip कर रहे हैं, वो sound होती है. बट क्या उसमें कोई क्रिस्पीनेस या कोई क्रंचीनेस की आवाज आती है? नो, वी डोंट हैव. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अ क्रॉस हियर. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज एन एप्पल. सो एज आई हैव ऑलवेज डिस्कस्ड, एप्पल्स आर रियली क्रंची एंड जूसी. बहुत क्रंची होते हैं, जूसी होते हैं. जब भी आप कभी फ्रेश एप्पल को बाइट करेंगे ना, you will always have that crunch sound in it. आपको वो crunchy जो sound आती है ना crunch की, वो हमेशा आएगी. And after having a bite in the mouth, एक पीस खाने के बाद, when you will chew it, वो chew करते टाइम भी आपको 2 से 3 bite, मतलब 2 से 3 बार chew करने में भी you will get that noise. So yes, apple is counted as a crisp and crunchy food item. So again, I'm going to put a tick mark here. So next we have is banana, another fruit we have. So apple is a fruit which is crisp and crunchy. So can you tell me, when you eat banana, जब आप banana खाते हो तो कोई sound होती है? No. Why? Because it's a very soft fruit. Banana जो है वो कैसा है? बहुत soft fruit है. So this is the reason why we prefer giving bananas to small kids. छोटे बच्चों को हम banana देते हैं because their teeth cannot chew crunchy food items. तो हम उनको कैसा food देते हैं? Soft food देते हैं. So banana is a soft fruit. इसीलिए it's not counted as a crisp and crunchy item. Next is, so I put a cross here. So now next we have is cucumber. So cucumber is again a form of food or you can say a vegetable which can be eaten raw in the form of salad. So yes, cucumbers are also making crunch sound. Cucumber कैसी sound create करता है? It also create a crunch sound. So cucumber is also one food that can be counted as crisp or crunch. Clear? Now moving to a food like I'll talk about it later. Let me just correlate it. One we have is cake, pastries. Have you ever eaten those cakes and pastries? So these cakes and pastries, they are very soft, isn't it? Aren't they very soft? So because they are very soft, they don't make any crunch or crisp sound. Similarly with the loaf of bread. अब ब्रेड हम मार्केट से लेकर आते हैं, सो दैट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट, हम सॉफ्ट ब्रेड ही परचेज करके लाते हैं, फ्रेश होती है वो. So when you are eating that slice of bread, does that make any crunch sound? No, that doesn't make any crunch sound क्योंकि वो soft होती है. But if we roast it, अगर हम उसको roast कर लेते हैं in different ways, we have different ways to roast a bread, either in a toaster or in a griller. So if we roast a bread, that becomes a toast. वो क्या बन जाता है? Toast बन जाता है. अब क्या होगा? When you will eat this toast, तो will that make a crunch sound? Bread is not making any crunch sound because that is very soft. जो bread slice है बेटा वो soft होती है. You must have eaten that. लेकिन अगर हम उसको grill कर लेते हैं या हम उसको roast कर लेते हैं, it becomes a toast. और toast को अगर आप खाओगे, will that make a crunch sound? Yes, that will make a crunch sound. So it is a food item which is counted as crisp and crunch. So what you can do, you can ask your mother to roast a bread and show you whether it makes a crunch sound or not. Clear? Then we have some other examples like biscuits. So we have two types of biscuits, isn't it? One, we have cream biscuits. एक हमारे पास cream biscuits होते हैं which is having a cream layer inside. Then they have jam or jelly also. They don't make a crisp sound. उनसे कोई sound नहीं आती. They are very soft when we eat. But if we are eating Marie biscuits or the biscuits which are not having any type of cream layer, they are very crisp. जब आप उनको तोड़ते हैं, you break them, you eat them, at that time you will listen that sound of crisp or crunchiness. वो एक अलग से sound create होती है. That sound is referred as crisp or crunchy sound. Clear? Then as I told you, if we eat salads like carrot is there, cucumber is there, then we have radish in it. तो ये सब क्या है? They all together make salad. So salad, yes, salad makes a crispy crunchy sound. Then anything else which we can discuss is we have lot of sweets, mithai. So there are variant of sweets like laddus, burfis, lot of sweets we have. What is the texture of these sweets? They are soft and tenderous. वो मुंह में chew करने में बहुत soft होती है. Like if we talk about rasgullas, they are very spongy. तो उनको जब हम खाते हैं, they don't make any noise. Why? Because they are soft. So what we can conclude here is, हम क्या conclude कर सकते हैं कि जो food item थोड़े से hard होते हैं, they make a crunchy sound. जो food item soft होते हैं, like bread we have cake, then we have banana as a fruit, lot of things we have which are soft in their texture, जिनका texture soft होता है, they don't make any sound. Clear everyone? So now moving towards today's work. Work need to be done on book page number. I'll just write book page number 84 and 85. So 84 is your today's classwork and 85 is your today's homework. Clear? Now I'll tell you how you have to do this work. After that, just complete. Okay, class? So class, now open your environmental book studies book 2, and in this book we are going to do our work on page number 84. That is, the topic is crisp and crunch. So what we are going to do now? Now we are first going to write today's date. So that is 27th August 2020. So like this we'll write, and this is your classwork. So circle the things that make noise when we eat them. As I just told you, what is crisp and crunch? Those items which make a noise. So first we have chips. So do they make noise? Yes. So we are going to circle it like this. Then we have apple. So whenever you eat an apple, does it make a noise? Yes, it do. So let us circle it. Then we have cake. So does it make a noise? No. After that, as I just shared an example, a loaf of bread. अब अगर आप इस लूफ में से स्लाइस खाओगे तो वो नॉइज करेगा? नो. Then we have a bowl of soup. Again no. Then a salad. Does that makes a noise? Yes. So when we eat radish, cucumber or carrot, even sometimes onion, they make a noise. Now next is cucumber. Does it make a noise? Yes. Now we have banana. Noise होती है उसकी? No, it don't. Next we have is biscuit. So see class, it's a cream biscuit. As I told you the differentiation, cream biscuit don't make a noise because they are soft. But the Marie biscuits, yes, they make a noise. But here we have cream biscuits. So they don't make a noise. Then we have a box of sweets. No. Then we have toast. Yes, I told you कि जब हम ब्रेड लूफ को या ब्रेड स्लाइस को रोस्ट कर लेते हैं, it becomes a toast. And after roasting, it makes a sound. So we are going to circle it. Next we have is carrot. So carrot makes a noise? Yes, it makes a noise. So is your classwork clear to you all now? Now moving towards today's homework. So this work to be done by you, as we have already done lot of times, how to number the pictures. आपको याद है हमने पहले भी किया है, number the picture in correct order. So this is something similar and the topic is making chapatis. So first I'll explain how to do. We'll write today's date and homework here. So what you are going to do today? Today you are going to observe your mother. आज आप अपनी मम्मा को observe करोगे how she makes a chapati. So I'll explain you the 6 different pictures. She make dough balls, यानी कि जो डो होता है उसकी छोटी छोटी balls बनाती हैं. She rolled a ball into chapati. वो हर जो बॉल है उसको चपाती में रोल करती हैं. Then she roasted it. मम्मी नीड्स अ डो. मम्मी एक डो को नीड कर रही है. नीड मतलब गूंदना. Then she put it on the grill. यानी कि वो तवे के लिए यूज हो रहा है. She puts it there. She put it in the plate. And after cooking, she puts it in a plate. So you have to number them. And how you are going to do that? After observing your mother. Clear all? So class, you have understood how to do today's work. I hope by now you must have understood our today's topic, which we have discussed about crunchy and crispy food items. So what a fun-filled homework I can give you here is a very fun activity. Whatever you are eating today, आप जो भी खा रहे हो, or juices or whatever you are drinking and eating today, just observe that carefully. उसको अच्छे से observe करना and tell me कि whether it is crisp or crunch in nature or it is soft. Clear? तो जो आप खा रहे हो, for example, if you are eating any fruit, तो मुझे बताना कि मैम वो crispy था, आवाज आई. नहीं था तो बताना no मैम it was very soft, आवाज नहीं आई. So you can do that with different food items. Clear? तो आप जो भी खा रहे हो, just observe it. So this is how you can learn from yourself. आप खुद से चीजों को learn करेंगे and you will start observing things. Clear? Clear your homework and your classwork. So now I would like to say bye for this class. Meeting you soon with the next topic, with a new interesting topic in the next class. Bye all. Take care.